Hello everyone, this is Kiran Yudupandi from Retriever by Automation. This is about the Appium Server 2.x to implement playlist conclusion. We are at this phase, and I'm going to walk through on this conclusion of at implement program. Okay, to have quick recap. So let me quickly walk through the quick judge, the journey which was started a while ago. Okay, so I have started this column which named as Page Talks About on the name of Retriever by Automation, and which is specifically targeted for the test automation related topics. So in addition to I would like to include the strategies and project management side, and how we can support the new entrants that who are going to start their career across the world as a QA, as their initial career started, and whoever is interested in the the coding side and wanted to explore automation side. So definitely my channel is going to be helpful for them, and I'm going to publish the few relevant topics to uh, related to uh, start the career in the test automation side, and definitely it is going to be helpful for the new beginners, and as well as whoever is having the experience in the IT and wanted to move to the automation side, they can take the help from this particular column. And I would be referred by the Retriever by Automation from YouTube, as well as Medium blog, which I am going to walk through as well. Recently, I have started, and I'm going to bring all my experience and workouts and whatever uh, I'm doing at my end. So definitely, I'll bring onto the this particular column. So to begin with, particularly this session will give the message on the conclusion of at implement program. So I think you might have gone through the this setup, the playlist. If you have not gone through, so you have the Medium blog where I have briefly written about this particular program, and embedded the relevant the videos so that it will be easy for you to follow the sequence. So let me quickly quick glance on this particular playlist so that I'll walk through on this one as well. So let's talk about first this Medium blog. So which mainly comprises of the setup playlist for the Appium Server 2.x. I have explained in my videos what exactly this Appium Server 2.x to be set up and run. So this I have given the brief. This is also I have started just a while ago, and currently this is my baby. So I'm going to add more topics on this one, and I'll bring all my experiences, my suggestions, my approaches to the entire world, so that anyone can take a look at it, and you can follow me. So that's about. So I have sequenced all the relevant videos so that you can follow. I've given brief description so that it will be helpful for you. So if you have any questions, you can comment, or you can ask me to my mail ID at reviewchannel@gmail.com, or you can post the questions, or else you can post me questions in this particular. I'll answer. I'm happy to answer. Okay. So this is about my Medium blog, and coming to the ad setup playlist. So if you have not gone through ad setup playlist, so I would advise you to go through this playlist and understand the Appium ecosystem and its setup. It's very simple. So made it in a few steps, though it looks like a few slides. But if you follow the sequence, it is very simple as compared to the earlier versions and um, few years back. Okay, so I'm just clicking on a setup playlist. It will navigate to the playlist of at setup. I've given all the description over here for each video, so you can go through the description and you can go through this particular video. So you'll get to know the relevant topics. So definitely this playlist will be useful to this setup for only on Android. This is not covering the iOS. I'm going to cover iOS separately because it needs a Mac environment. So I'm working on that one. It may take some time. Okay. So meanwhile, you can acquaint with Android. So definitely that will be sufficient to handle the iOS assignments as well. Okay. The only difference is you should know what is the strategies to identify a particular element and uh, how to navigate in the iOS device and iOS apps. Okay. So is there any the challenges or some other solutions are needed? Definitely, I will be happy to support you. Okay. So this is about the ad setup playlist. It comprises of around 12 sessions. So it will be useful for you. Okay. So before getting into the at implement, you have to go through this setup playlist and make your system is ready so that you can start play from the at implement program. Okay. So and now we are at implement playlist. We have completed all the sessions. I have completed all the necessary admin related work that pushing videos to the YouTube channel and pushing relevant references to the GitHub repo so that you can refer it. And I'm going to create blog as well, so which related to this particular playlist. It will be useful whenever you want. You can refer it. Okay. So I'm just navigating to the implement playlist. Here I have created a total entire the description and each you see here. This is about the see. I have made it a very sequential manner so that um, you will not have any issues in following the sequence. I have named it 0 1 0 will start with always introduction followed by the first session 1 2 3 4. So mainly this particular at implement covering the new features of Appium. So that will be definitely useful for the whoever is having some experience and whoever is very new to this automation. Definitely they can acquaint. So later on, they can start some other uh, the scripting the entire the scenarios. Here I have taken the simple example so that you can easily understand and implement wherever it is needed part of the scripts. But the element operations that I have shown in the the sessions, so that is going to be the raw code, so that you need to first understand. Then only you can jump to the framework side wherever you are. Okay. So I've made it a very sequence. So here a few things I have added which are might be part of our day-to-day automation. We may not look at it, but definitely it is useful. That is about the platform extensions. And if anyone want to automate a web context hybrid app, that will be useful. And there are a few mobile glitches that is definitely useful wherever you wanted to scroll or swipe. Okay. So that's about it implement the playlist. And the third part is augment. So it has some time I have given for this one. It's under pipeline. So definitely we may not use this one in our in the day-to-day assignments, but whoever is having good knowledge in the Node.js side and the JavaScript development, definitely for them it is useful, and they can develop drivers and plugins, whatever they want. Okay, I'm going to set the guidelines for this one. The raw statements are ready, but I need to compile and make it ready, so that it will be easy to understand. So that's about augment stage. Okay, so let's switch over to our quick program which I have explained to you. So we have covered about the server CLI, what are its components it contains, and we have covered extension CLI, the part of the chapter one. So mainly it covers the drivers and plugins and its management. And in the chapter two, Appium Inspector we have covered. So how to identify the elements, what are the strategies we need to, how to make the operations using the Appium Inspector as well, and how to initiate the sessions. And in addition to that, we also seen the Web Inspector. So whoever is whoever is unable to install the Appium desktop portion, they can take the help of Web Inspector that we have covered here. And yeah, so in the chapter 3 we have covered about the mainly focused on the strategies, so Android strategies, and we have standard and management strategies apart from the Android native strategies also we have gone through. And the fourth one is the implementation chapter, where we have covered the basic operations, so that anyone can start their the scripting from the raw code. Okay, again I'm saying I have not put any kind of framework over here. I want whoever is learning, they need to start from the raw code, so that definitely when they switch over to the framework side, it will be helpful when they are trying to debug any kind of code. Okay, if you are not knowing the particular method what does, and definitely the analysis of the particular challenge will take time. Okay, it's my perception, it's my visualization. So if you wanted to follow, you can follow. Otherwise, you can take your approach and get to know about the Appium. That is the core intention. Okay, and then we have talked about UiScrollable, how we can use this particular method. This is the Android native mechanism that we have learned, and it had its own the methods to make the scroll and swipe very robust on while we are working on the apps automation. And then mobile gestures, it has Appium designed the methods for the drag, drop, and scroll, swipe, and long click. Like that, there are different methods out there, but whatever the methods that are must be used in the day-to-day activities, I have mentioned over here. And the final thing is web context, that is hybrid app automation. Rarely in few of the apps we are seeing this one. So whoever is experiencing web content embedded in the native app, they can easily refer this one and get acquainted. And again, we have covered the platform extensions, which mainly focused on the device operations, not on apps operations. Okay, so in the app also it covers the apps management, installation, and querying the app status, whether that is in the foreground or background, or that is not installed, or those kind of status we have given. So finally, we are at conclusion. So I have summarized the references that I have gone through part of this particular program, and I have mentioned my YouTube channel reference and Medium blogging reference as well. Okay, So only I have given is identify, form, and play and learn. Yes. If any technology, yes. First identify what are its features, and is there any kind of architecture is given for that particular tool or technology or what, whatever it may be. And then form it. Form means make it a order. Okay. And then you can play. You can play it. Yes. Take one particular feature and then play and then learn. Dig into that one. What are the features is useful, and compare and make it ready for the your corporate. This is how I do. If any new technology or tool, some kind of application is given, this is the sequence I follow. So if you like it, you can follow this methodology. So form, identify, form, and play and learn. Definitely, that will come. That will comes under your control. So you can play whatever you want. Okay. On the right side, if you see the demo apps. So particularly in this particular, the program I have used two apps. One is Appium API demo app. Second one is the WebDriver app for the mobile glitches, issues. So you can click on this one. It will navigate to the Appium 2.x repo, which is globally given. So you can find out. So here, the apps are available. One is API demo app and APK info. What APK info that I have given in the previous setup playlist. And here I have given the link for that WebDriver app because that is about 30 MB. It is not able to upload over here. So I have given my G drive that is accessible globally. So you can take that, you can download that app and install it in your emulator or device. Okay. So this is about the apps. Then the next is demo project. Click on this one. The project, whatever the project I have given the short programs in a sequential manner. Okay. So that you can go through. Here you can see this is the structure I followed. I have explained in my previous sessions. That's about the element operations. You have this. About selectors, you have this. And UiScrollable, you have these classes. And web context, this is the class. This is the code available over here. Okay. And then platform extensions. Apps related, I have given over here. And devices related, I have given over here. Okay. And then mobile gadgets related to WebDriver app, I have given decode this one, and then swipe, decode swipe. Okay, this is the structure. You will find out this is the raw code that I have given. I have not given any kind of the framework over here. So only raw code. So try to understand this raw code. Very simple examples so that you can expand this learning. Okay. So this is about the Java project which I have given over here. Okay, so you can download this one. And the next is, yeah. So that's about the implement guide. So I have uploaded the guide as well. So I'll upload that one. Then the next is playlist. Yeah, this is that implement playlist. If you click on this one, it will go to this playlist, and I have made it the same sequence as well. I have not any jumbled over here, so I have made it the sequence, and I'll upload even conclusion as well. Okay, so that's about, and this is my YouTube channel where I have mentioned where I'm going to upload the videos, so you can follow me, and you'll find out the latest. If you can subscribe, definitely you'll get notification so that you can follow the latest video which I'm going to the publish in the coming days. So I'm going to cover many topics for here. One is firstly, based on my experience, what a new entrance is needed to get into the automation site, or any kind of latest automation, the trends and latest tools they can learn and get ready. So that information I'm going to give it. Mostly first open source side. The next I wanted to give certain the things useful to the newcomers that who are entering into this field. Okay, so that's about the my channel. Okay, so thank you everyone. Thanks for watching at implement playlist program. You can follow me on Medium blog, and you can also subscribe me on YouTube. I'm going to refer these two in my personal, Facebook and Twitter and LinkedIn accounts as well. Once I reach the decent amount of blogs and decent amount of videos, that's my plan. Might be in the next down the line, next 2-3 months, I'm going to reach the my milestone of 25 blogs into the Medium platform, corresponding videos as well. Once that is done, I'm going to publish in all my personal uh, social media platforms. Okay, thanks everyone. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep learning and get confidence, and let's to the level up. Thank you. Bye.